Infinite loop. Infinite loop. While loop becomes infinite loop if the condition never becomes false. So you have to be careful with that because the loop will loop infinite and never stops. That's why you need to make it false as possible to stop looping. Let's see how. Now go to brackets. I will show you how the infinite loop works. For example, create a variable I equal 1. Then use while I equal 1 colon. And create a variable name equal input parenthesis string enter your name. Then print string your name is plus name. You can either use plus or comma. Now try that in terminal. Now I will put multiple names to show you. As you can see, it loops forever and never stops, because the condition never becomes false. Most of the time, infinite loop is not a good practice to do, and I really don't recommend it. Thanks for watching.